Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can put your Instagram link on your TikTok. And it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But for this process, you need to remember the login details of your Instagram because you need to log in into your Instagram through TikTok in order to link that Instagram account, right? So make sure you remember your Instagram's login detail. If you do not, we have also made a video on how you guys can recover your Instagram's password in order to recover your Instagram's password, all right? Now with that out of the way, let me show you guys how you guys can link your Instagram to your TikTok. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. First step, you click on profile at the bottom of the screen to go to your TikTok's profile and click on edit profile. Once over here at the bottom on where it says socials, you can see Instagram and YouTube. Since you want to link Instagram, we're going to click on Instagram over here. And it's going to take you to the sign up page of Instagram. Over here, you need to enter your login details. So I'm going to enter the login detail of my Instagram. You also do that. Now, once you log in into your account, it's going to say save your login info. If you want to, you can click on save information. If you don't, you can click on not now. I'm going to click on not now. All right. And you want to click on allow over here. You're basically giving permission for TikTok to post your Instagram profile link over here. Once you do that, you can see your Instagram icon over here. You can click on it and it's going to take you to your Instagram's profile over here just like this. So yeah, that's how you guys can add Instagram profile on your TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Want to step? I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.